How's it going, guys? It's K Cars, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the maintenance cost for this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Hard Rock. So as you can see, I am in the Jeep right now. It's raining outside, so I didn't really want to do a video outside, so I'm just sitting in here. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to be talking about all the maintenance costs for this Jeep, like repairs, gas, and all that stuff. And I just wanted to give a quick shout out to Pablo Rubio for giving me the suggestion to make this video. So if you're watching this video, thank you for suggesting this video. So now let's get to the actual topic of this video, which is the maintenance and repair costs for this Jeep Wrangler. So I think I've said this already, but it's a 2017. It has about 22,000 miles on it right now, and it is a manual. If you want to see some of my videos about how to drive manual, stick shift, or a tutorial on that, I have that on my channel, so make sure to go check that video out if you're interested in a tutorial video about that. And I know some people have told me that my videos would be a lot better without music, so I'm not going to put any music in this video, and just tell me how you guys like it without the music. So I know Jeeps, a lot of people think that they're really unreliable, and I don't really know why people think that. Most Jeeps that are unreliable are usually really heavily modified, so obviously the repair costs for that are going to be pretty high. But for stock Jeeps, like this Jeep, it's pretty much stock, except for some exterior mods just to make it look cool. But engine and suspension and wheels, it's all stock. It has a stock Rubicon wheels and stock everything else, so really the maintenance cost for this Jeep is literally only oil changes and gas and stuff like that. So I believe we have gotten 2 or 3 oil changes on this Jeep, which at 22,000 miles, that's pretty reasonable. So honestly, if you have a stock Jeep, that's the only thing you have to worry about as far as maintenance costs, if you keep it stock. But if you want to modify it, then you're probably gonna break some stuff. Obviously, if you want to do some off-roading, hardcore off-roading, then you're probably gonna look at some other maintenance costs, not just oil changes. And if you modify the engine, I know some people like to put superchargers on these Jeeps, so obviously then you're gonna have to pay for the supercharger, which is a lot of money probably. And then maintenance costs for that, not really sure about that because I don't have a supercharger on here. But if anything happens, then I'm pretty sure the supercharger will void the warranty. So yeah, supercharger maintenance in a Jeep is probably going to be really expensive. So like I said, guys, if you plan to modify your Jeep, you should probably plan to spend more money on maintenance costs, not just oil changes, like I said in this video. As far as repairs go, honestly, there has been nothing wrong with this Jeep. So we haven't had to get any kind of repairs done to it. It's been perfect for 22,000 miles. We've had it for about, I want to say a year or two, which isn't really that long. So it's probably going to have some problems down the road. Like I said previously, Jeeps really aren't reliable. At least that's what people say. But for this Jeep, it has been really reliable. Really no repair costs for this Jeep. Just oil changes and gas for maintenance costs. So yeah, guys, there really isn't that much more to talk about with maintenance costs or repair costs with this Jeep. So pretty much the bottom line is, if you keep it stock, it's probably just going to be oil changes for the maintenance costs. No repairs unless you do some hardcore off-roading and you break some stuff. But then again, if you modify it or you modify the engine or anything like that, then you're probably going to break some stuff, most likely, because that's what happens when you modify vehicles like this. If you guys want to see some off-roading videos of this Jeep, make sure to check out my channel. I have 2 or 3 off-roading videos. Also, like I said in the beginning of this video, if you want to see a manual, stick shift transmission tutorial with this Jeep, make sure to check out my channel too, because I have that video as well. So if you guys are subscribers to this channel and you've seen some of my Challenger videos, and then you would know that I'm getting the long tube headers installed in March. And I know a lot of you guys have been waiting and commenting and DMing me and asking when are those finally going to be installed. So I actually did post an update video about that. If you haven't checked that out, make sure to check it out. So basically I have all the parts, so the headers and catalyst mid pipes. Then I'm taking it to OST Dyno next month to get all of that installed and get it dyno tuned. I'm going to make a whole bunch of videos there and a whole review about the headers and a before and after comparison. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to see those videos when they come out. And I just wanted to give you guys some updates about what I'll be doing. So I'm planning to go to the Pittsburgh International Auto Show on, like, I think it's like February 18th or 19th, that weekend sometime. And I also want to go to Motorama, which will be that same weekend. So Saturday or Sunday, I will be going to the Pittsburgh International Auto Show and Motorama the next day. I'm not sure which day I'll do which show, but that's my plan. So I'll be vlogging both of those shows. So if you want to see some coverage of those shows, make sure to also subscribe, because I will be vlogging, like I said. And also, Street Speed 717 is having his first call out of the year in late April, I think that's what he said. So I might do it in Cecil County. I know they were talking about going to like the Summit Point Raceway in West Virginia. So either way, I'll definitely be going to that and vlogging the whole thing like I did for the previous 2 call outs. And I know they said something about like the fans participating this time, so I'm really hoping I get to like race them too. That would be a lot of fun to see how the Challenger compares to their cars. That would be really fun. And after that, I will be going to Ocean City Cruise Week, which is May 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20th. And I'm pretty sure Andy from Diablo Formula Racing will be there with his Turbo Trans Am. So that would be pretty cool to actually get to see him there and like cruise with him. That would be a lot of fun in my opinion. So I am planning to daily vlog while I'm there and just post a video every day while I'm there. It'll be 4 days. So yeah, you guys can expect a whole bunch of content from those shows that I just mentioned. And definitely hit that subscribe button so you keep up to date with the channel, all the mods that I'm doing for the Challenger, maybe some Jeep mods in the future, and definitely for the coverage of those shows that I just mentioned. So if you guys have any video suggestions, make sure to drop those in the comments. And if you have any questions, also comment, or whatever you want, drop a comment below, I'll answer. And if you like this video and you would like to see more, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.